Welcome student. Now today we have to see variation of Helmholtz function, that is work function with temperature and volume, or we may say show that dA is equals to minus P dV minus S dt. इस टाइप पे भी इस पे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, या तो पूछ सकते हैं एक्सप्लेन वेरिएशन ऑफ हेल्महोल्ट्ज फंक्शन दैट इज वर्क फंक्शन विथ टेम्परेचर एंड वॉल्यूम, या तो फिर पूछ सकते हैं शो दैट dA अपॉन dV, या तो ऐसा भी पूछ सकते हैं शो दैट dA अपॉन dV at constant temperature is equals to minus P, that is pressure, and dA upon dt at constant volume is equals to minus S, where S is the entropy, P is the pressure. This simple question in this way may be asked in examination. Now for this you must know only Helmholtz function. Previously we seen it that the work function or Helmholtz function is denoted by A and it is equals to E minus Ts. Okay, what you know, work function A or Helmholtz function A is equals to E minus Ts, where E is internal energy, T is a temperature and S is entropy. Now differentiate completely. Differentiate on both sides. Now differentiation of A becomes dA. Differentiation of E, that is dE. Now here U into V rule. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. That's why minus. Now here first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. This is U into V rule. Okay. Now after this further dE is equals to minus TdS minus SdT, that is equals to dA. Okay. Now here you have to calculate the value of TdS. How it can be calculated? You know, according to first law of thermodynamics, dQ reversible is equals to dE plus P dV. Okay, getting it? Now here again you know this dQ is related to entropy change, and you know by definition of entropy, that is ds is equals to dQ reversible upon T. That's why TdS is equals to dQ reversible. Okay, but you got value of dQ reversible as dE plus P dV according to first law. That's why it will be dE plus P dV. Okay, now this is equation first. Okay, you get the value of TdS. How it is obtained? Because first law of thermodynamics, dQ reversible is equals to change in internal energy plus pressure volume type of work but according to definition of entropy change, okay, ds is equals to dq reversible upon t, but t into ds becomes equals to dq reversible, but you get this value from first law of thermodynamics. Now put this value of TdS in equation 1. How equation 1 becomes? Putting TdS is equals to dE plus PdV in equation 1. Equation 1 implies dA remains as it is, derivative of A, then dE remains as it is. Now minus, what is the value of TdS? dE plus PdV. Remaining term minus as dt remains as it is. Okay, means only value of TdS is dE plus PdV. Now further solving, dE remains as it is. This is minus dE minus PdV minus as dt. From this dE get cancelled. That's why dA is equals to minus PdV minus as dt, and this is our required equation. Getting it? शो दैट में मैंने पहले बताया था कि ऐसा आपको पूछ सकते हैं डी इक्वल्स टू माइनस पी डी वी माइनस एस डी टी. फर्दर, इफ टेम्परेचर इज केप्ट कांस्टेंट, temperature is constant, means this T is a constant, that's why T is constant, then dt equals to 0. Okay, if T is a constant then dt equals to 0, that's why equation 2 implies, इसमें अपन ने dt की वैल्यू 0 डाला तो it will be dA is equals to minus p dv minus 0, means minus p dv. Further, dA upon dV, but this process is carried out at constant temperature, that's why you have to write here at the subscript, and it will be equals to minus p. This is our required equation. Or if volume is kept constant, if volume is kept constant, means V is kept constant, then dV becomes equals to 0. Then again equation 2 implies what it gives, dA, that is equals to, this is 0, that's why P multiplied by 0, 0, that's why it becomes minus S dt. Now further it becomes, how it becomes? Now dA upon this dt, but if pressure is, if volume is constant, then it will becomes equals to minus S. This is our second required conditions. Means here in the variation of work function, that is Helmholtz function, that is A with the temperature and volume, we have two derivation. First one is dA upon dV at constant temperature is equals to minus P. Okay. Later on, dA upon dt at constant V is equals to minus S. This is second. This is the variation of work function with temperature but volume kept constant. This is variation of Helmholtz function with volume at constant temperature. Okay. Now in order to obtain these two, we get one derivation that is dA equals to minus P dV equals to dA equals to minus P dV into dA equals to minus P dV minus S dt. This may be asked. Okay, only here what we have to see? We have to see first of all question whether it is show that, okay, or this, or only explain the variation. If explain the variation is there, then first of all what you have to write? You have to write A equals to E minus Ts, it is the definition. Okay, then differentiate on both sides. dA is equals to dE minus TdS minus S dt. Okay, here only U into V rule, differentiation. Later on calculate the value of TdS from first law of thermodynamics and by definition of entropy change. Okay, put here, then this equation becomes dA is equals to minus P dV minus S dt. If temperature is constant, this becomes 0. That's why dA upon dV at constant temperature equals to minus P. If volume is constant, then dV 0, then dA equals to minus S dt. Okay, what a simple thing it is. How to remember? Only A equals to E minus Ts. Then differentiate. Then use first law. Then use ds is equals to dq upon t by definition. Okay, and put it in this equation. Okay, this is quite simple. Only you must know first law. What is the first law of thermodynamics? dq reversible is equals to dE minus dW, or if only work of expansion is there, then dE plus P delta V. Okay, this is known to you. Okay, now after this first law, you know ds is equals to dq reversible upon t. It is from definition only. If you know these two terms, then it is very easy to derive dA equals to minus P dV minus S dt. Okay, this is about variation of a work function or Helmholtz function. This work function is also known as Helmholtz function. Helmholtz function. Okay.